Good morning and welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to give you an update on how my second planting of my seedlings for the winter indoor garden challenge are doing. And hopefully you're able to see, but they are ready to be up potted. So we're going to do that. I have some 5-gallon containers, 5 or 10, but I have a container. And in this one, I'm going to put a Brussels sprout. And if you can see, we have roots growing out of our little seed cups here. So they are really ready to go. So let's take this one. Let's see if I can pop it up. Okay, we're going to take this one and we're going to sit it in the middle. Okay, and we also have 2 leeks. So I'm going to put the 2 leeks in here as well. And as you can see, the leeks have some great roots too. We're going to put one here. And we're going to put another one here. And I think that's all that I'm going to put in this pot. Okay. And we have another one. And we're going to put lettuce in it. This one really has roots growing out of it. Hopefully, I can get it to come out without any problems. There we go. And we're going to sit that in the middle. And let's try another wasabi radish since there's only one left in this seed cup. And let's try another tatsoi. Okay, we're back and we have another pot. I think I'm going to put one of the Hostinator peppers in. And as you can see, we have some really good root system here. And let's take this one. Push up. Okay. And we're going to place this one directly in the middle. And I think I'm going to put a couple of lettuces around it. One, two. Okay, and that's it for my indoor planting. We're going to put this inside the grow tent and give them a little watering, and we'll be done. All three of the containers have been placed inside the grow tent, and everything has been watered. They're looking real good. The containers in the back are doing well. They have really taken off. And my 5-gallon hydroponic. The cabbage seems like it has started to grow and do well. The tomato, it's still hanging on. It hasn't died yet. So hopefully, in the upcoming weeks, it will start to get accustomed and adjusted to being in a hydroponic environment and start to grow. So until the next time when I'll give you an update on how everything's going, hope you got something out of this. If you did, give me a big thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, take a moment to consider doing so. As you can see, I can grow a lot of vegetables and stuff by myself, but I cannot grow the channel without your help. If you do decide to subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button, the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. And as always, you can share my content. Leave me a comment at the about my ideas for the grow tent. If you like it, any suggestions, anything, just leave me a comment and I will reply. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay strong, stay blessed, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always remember to give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.